Now you see how the wheel spins. Okay, it's very interesting, because what you currently seeing is that I powering my not chargeable batteries by the radiant charge, which is produced by the SSG. I have the power drawing because my system is running, and well, it's very interesting. I will say it's very interesting. What I should point once again, the charging device which I use here, it's just working like adapter. It has no any additional elements. I mean, my charging device do not have any transistor, resistor, and like that. So just I took this the normal charger and rebuilt it in the adapter for my batteries. And you see the system is running, and the voltage of my charging batteries, I see that it's increasing. Wow. So basically I think it's possible to charge batteries which currently not possible to charge, but I will show you the proof of that. I will show you the proof of that, and I think it's what is needed, not to run it too much long for this kind of batteries, and we will look it further. But it's quite interesting. I mean, here you have voltage of my start battery, which is driven by the running system. The wheel spins continuously, because my first thought was about that the wheel will not spin continuously, but it was my first idea when I use not standard setup, which are advised by the Bedini group. But I always wanted to push the system further. So once again I will show you my circuit so you can better understand what I have done. I took a normal charger and cut it in 4 parts. I connected minuses of each part with each other. I connected this, I done the same with a plus. But between all these parts, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, I do not have any connection. So I have current only here and only here, but not here, but not with each parts. I hope you understand this. And I have my bulb with a connector, with a switch, because I will do some short circuiting when the system is done. And it will be very interesting. I mean, to run it and to see that the voltage increasing. So this voltage showing the voltage of my batteries, which are plugged in this black device. It's very interesting, and it runs, and yeah, it's working. You see, for me it's an interesting observation, because I always thought that I need a battery like a start battery. I mean, same voltage, same ampere hour, but you see that the voltage which are producing, I mean the current which is producing and which going to this black device, simply going without any problems. And I mean, I think I'm producing more energy than I put it. I would rather say so. Quite astonishing, this all Bedini devices. And I hope I will near to the end of my tests of my COP of another battery, hopefully end of this year, because I do not have always the time for testing the system. And currently I'm thinking of building more smaller system, more adjustable system, things like that. And maybe I will build system based on monopole of Bedini monopole device, and who knows. And currently I see the free energy inventions are spreading like a bubble. I mean, it's very you cannot predict in which way some technology will develop. And currently I see that what is needed, it is needed more special skills for the electrical engineers who willing to work on these devices. It's needed scientific community which is able to understand what happens in my circuit and what Bedini says and so on. And secondly, we need a industry which provides the funds, and maybe it will resolve in some new kind of consumer products. I mean, you always hear about electric cars, you always hear about electro system generations, and nobody can predict what happens with oil, crude oil, and this is a way to lead us into the future. I think such systems should be discovered earliest, and that's my feeling. I mean, just seeing that it runs and charge the system charging my not chargeable batteries. It's incredible, and well, the time will show us how it will go further. But it will be interesting to see what happens next. Now I stop my system. Okay, stop my system. Disconnect the power. I'm short my batteries. Wow, look to the bulb. You see this bulb? You understand what this means? This means my batteries have a power, and this power showing. You see this bulb and how bright it is. Wow, incredible. This batteries, I mean, look. You have here voltage 1.37, yes, and when I switch my system, my bulb going on. Wow, incredible, man. So it's really working. And I mean, I have 20 batteries from old garbage, and probably I can charge them all, and that's all. I should never bought any new batteries at all when it's with such kind of system. And here you go, you see it. I am very sorry for my breakthrough, but it's my feeling. It's working. The system working. Batteries working, but the batteries should not work in this way. And I'm speechless. So anybody who watching this first time, you ask me, does the system runs? I will answer yes, it runs very good, and you should try it yourself, and you should just touch it and build it. It's only an only way solution to build it your way, which is possible. And for me, it's like, wow. So it's like, man, I can charge my batteries with low cost. Yeah, it's breakthrough for everybody, and build the system in largest way and spread it all. It should, with such of technologies, we would able to solve our problems at all. And at this moment, I will say to you all goodbye, and hopefully our future will be bright as this bulb. Thank you all.